The Eastern Caribbean nations of Grenada and Trinidad and Tobago braces for impact as Tropical Depression number 2 has developed into Tropical Cyclone BRET, and the above countries will be experiencing deteriorating weather conditions in very short order. The Trinidad and Tobago government announced the closure of all schools on the Twin Island Republic today as they prepared for the weather conditions that will be associated and accompanied with Tropical Cyclone BRET. We've seen also where in Grenada the government has been mobilizing its disaster response agencies to prepare the island as best as possible for any potential flooding that may be accompanied with torrential rainfall that is expected to be dumped on the island in the coming hours. The system is not expected to become a major system. However, the amount of rainfall that will accompany the system is a cause of concern, as flooding, especially in low-lying and flood-prone areas, is very high. Now, we will continue to monitor the situation. At this point in time, it is not a threat to Jamaica, and it is not believed that it will be a threat to the Northern Caribbean, as it is expected to travel along the north coast of South America into the Gulf of Mexico. So that is the situation at the moment. Tropical Depression number 2 has organized and has developed into Tropical Cyclone BRET. We will continue to monitor the situation. We hope that all our Caribbean brothers and sisters in Grenada and Trinidad and Tobago will be safe. There will be no major damage or destruction, and above all, there will be no loss of lives. So we are monitoring this one. We will see how it develops, and we will see if there's any changes. And if there's any change for the forecast part or the track of the system, and if it becomes a threat to Jamaica at any stage in the next couple of days, I will be the first to let you guys know. So the situation at the moment is that Trinidad and Grenada will be experiencing tropical storm conditions in very short order. Barbados would have been experiencing strong gusts in terms of wind and rainfall over the past couple of hours. So as the system moves further towards the west, Trinidad and Tobago along with Grenada is directly in the firing line, and it is expected to bring a lot of rainfall over those two Caribbean nations. So our prayers are with Trinidad and Tobago along with the people of Grenada. Hopefully, as I said earlier, there will be no major flooding, there will be no major damage, and there will be no loss of life. So peeps, we'll keep you posted as soon as news become available out. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.